Today we are doing Pilates for strength and for fun. We're gonna start on all fours. All right, so you're gonna have your hands underneath your shoulders and your knees underneath your hips. And let's just find that cat round stretch to start. And inhale, take it into an arch. One more like that, exhale round. Getting ready to have a little fun on our mat with this intermediate workout today. All right, so find yourself on all fours. And what I want you to do is step the left foot back, curl the toes under, and then the right foot back. So you're in our plank. It's our first plank of the day. When you're ready, you're gonna walk your hands back here. So I'm kind of in this low squat position, and then walk your hands out. Walk your hands back and walk your hands out. You just want to alternate which hand you're leading with. So when I came back that time, I led with my right, and then I'm going to come out leading with my right. So this time I'm going to lead with my left coming in and my left going out. So this is actually an awesome warm-up for the arms, for the legs, getting the blood flowing. And like I said at the beginning, we want to feel strong in this workout. Okay, so we're going to use all of our muscle groups and we're going to have a little fun and just not think too much about it. Okay, last one, go out, stay there, take your hips up and back so your heels are down. Just nice stretch here. Maybe walk it out, alternate your knee bends. I even have my fun pants on today that say I love Pilates by Pilates Goddess, just to remind myself that it's all about having a little bit of fun here. Okay, so press back. And then what I want you to do is round your spine. You're gonna round, 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 come forward over your toes into extension. And then over your toes again, curl and come all the way back into flexion. We call this snake in Pilates. So forward, round, 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 extend, and then curl again to come back. One more like that. Round, open, and curl to come back. All right, what I'm gonna have you do is walk your hands back towards your feet. So you're in this forward fold here. Take your right foot and bring it behind you. Toes are pointed. You're gonna lift and lower. Lift and lower. Nice job. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Now keep it lifted. Walk your hands out to your plank. Lift the leg, lower, lift, lower, good. Make sure the elbows are slightly bent. 3, 2, 1. Keep it lifted. Walk yourself back and lower that leg down. Other side, lift, lower. See if you can keep your hips level. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it lifted and walk out. You got it. Here we go again. Leg pull. That's what we call this move in Pilates. We're just adding some variation to it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep it lifted. You got it. Walk back and place the foot down. Walk your hands out again to your plank. Tap opposite shoulders with your hands. Tap, 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 tap. So you're trying to keep yourself as still as you can here. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Knees down and sit back. And then roll yourself up onto your knees, and we're gonna turn to the side. All right, so I'm gonna have my left hand out, my right hand behind my head. We're gonna go all the way over. I'm gonna move slightly so you can see me. I'm gonna come all the way down onto my hand, and my right leg is gonna reach out. So I want you to check alignment real quick. Your left hand should be in line with your left knee, which is in line with your right foot. Press your hips forward. Lift the top leg up and down. Nice job. Keep pressing the hips forward, okay? You're gonna find you wanna sit back, especially if you have tight hips. Try to keep them forward, forward, forward. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay here, pulse. 8, you got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, rest your foot down. Find a side stretch, but don't stay here too long. Come back with the hand behind your head. Are you ready? You're gonna come up onto your fingertips and then lift and come up and then back down, fingertips. Just barely tap and up, lower, down. You got it. And if this is too much, put a block or something under this hand and just come down to touch the block, okay? We just have one more. Actually, 2 more. Sorry, I'm gonna make you do 2 more. Just because I'm that mean. Good, come all the way up. Nice job. Bring that foot in. Switch hands. You ready? We're gonna come all the way over onto your hand. Left leg straightens out. So here's your moment to organize. Right hand in line with your right knee. Left foot, press the hips forward, and here we go. Nice. Stay as long in your side waists as you can, okay? Think about long straight line on both sides so you're not sinking anywhere. It's easy to sink into the shoulder. And if you need to modify any of this, remember, you always do that here. This is your safe place. This is your place to rest, modify, and just see what your body can do and to honor it at the same time, okay? Last one, lift and hold. 8, 7, pulse. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. Lower down, stretch it over. We're gonna bring the foot down and the hand behind your head and then come up onto fingertips. That's all. Actually, it's a big difference between fingertips and flat palm on this one. Okay, ready? Exhale to come up. Inhale, down. See if you can just tap the fingers and come back up. And again, use anything you need there or just go down like halfway, right? Maybe you're like here, and that's fine too. 2 more. Nice job. Hands in, knee in, hands come down. Back onto all 4s. Okay, so we're gonna have hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips again. We're gonna find our plank position again. So bring right foot back, curl the toes. Left foot back, curl the toes. I want you to bend your right knee and we're gonna do little leg lifts here. Your modification would be just bringing the left knee down. And you can do it right there, okay? You got it. Like you're gonna stamp the bottom of your foot right onto the ceiling. 4, 3, 2, 1. Listen, swing the leg forward. See here, I'm in a lunge. Come up, hands behind your head, lower the back knee down, lift, down, lift. 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hands down, foot back. Bend the left knee, lift, lower. You got it. 6, 5. Lots of arm work, I know. Sneaky ab work here too. And 2, 1. Sweep the leg forward. Come all the way up. Press through that heel. You got it. Lower, lower. So we're tapping if you can. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Hands come back down. You're gonna press back out to a plank. Come back up. Walk it out. Okay. We're gonna come now forward again to plank, down onto your knees. Push-ups, elbows come into your side, press it up. This is probably the strong piece of this class. Push-ups aren't always fun for me, but they're good for us to work and really think about elbows into your sides. Last 2, you got it. Last one. Nice job. Press it back for your child's pose. Forehead down. Take a deep breath in. And exhale. Awesome, awesome job. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.